Alrighty then. So, due to all the positive feedback I received in my previous calisthenics style video, we're going to go ahead and work it into the rotation, at least while still hot and comfortable outside. You know, I do not play cold, and Denver gets disrespectful with the cold. Mother Nature just says, Colorado, let me turn the AC all the way up so the snow starts coming through the vent. You know what I'm saying? I don't do the cold. So no promises when it gets really cold out here, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. All right. For those of you that are new here and you like this style of content, please understand that there will be a calisthenics themed playlist on my channel. But fair warning, understand that if you subscribe to my channel and all of a sudden you see some random dude talking in his apartment about some hippy dippy spiritual stuff, or some conspiracy, some quote conspiracy stuff, because it's always a conspiracy until it ain't, you know, please understand that that is what I was doing before you got here, and I'm gonna keep on doing that until the end. You feel me? However, I do see this as an opportunity to get my message across in a different way. You know, like the title of my channel, Professor MBS. MBS stands for mind, body, and spirit. You know, if your mind is healthy, your spirit is healthy. If your spirit is healthy, your mind is healthy. But all those can't even be enjoyed unless you're in the physical. So make sure you're happy in the physical, because like I've told people that have been watching my channel for a while, there was a point in my life where I could not stand my reflection in the mirror. You know what I'm saying? I hated who I saw looking back at me. And now I wake up every day, I'm like, yo, my man's is pretty now. Hold on, let me walk past that mirror again. Walk past real quick. You know what I'm saying? So even though I'm humble about it, when I'm by myself, I'm kind of cocky. I'm not even gonna hold you. But anyway, man, for those of you that have been watching my channel for a minute, let me also get your feedback on how well you guys think I'm doing at mixing the previous way I deliver my message in this new format. All right. So with that being said, get your weight up. All right. I truly think that these workout videos are going to be relatively quick, actually, because half the time I can't breathe after I do these pull-ups, and I don't want to be gasping for breath when I'm talking to y'all. You feel me? But this is still good training for when I want to give a whole 2-hour sermon on my channel. You feel me? But in the meantime, as you can see, we got a 20-pound vest here, and I'm kind of going OD today because I don't have to rush my workouts, and I also got some little ankle weights on. I can't even lift my leg up that high, but you'll see when I'm doing my pull-ups. So technically, I got about 30 pounds combined on. It's very important to add weight to your exercises because it develops your base form, you know, kind of like Goku in the early Dragon Ball Z series where he couldn't even go Super Saiyan yet. You have to develop your base form first, you know, and the easiest way to do that is to add some weight. So I'm gonna do a quick little set here and we're gonna get to it. Cool. So yeah, you know, it's very important to add weight at certain points in your calisthenics journey, especially. You know, a lot of people, like myself included, you know, when I first got into calisthenics, I didn't really like curls. I didn't like bench pressing. I didn't like all these heavy weights. I didn't like the gym environment. It felt incredibly judgmental. You feel me? And then especially during COVID, they shut down all the gyms. You can't do nothing and all that type of stuff. So I was forced to go work out outside and I got used to it. You feel me? So when I started getting proficient in just regular pull-ups, leg lifts, dips and stuff, you have to add a little bit of a challenge to that. That's what the weight is for, you know? You know, it's kind of like this, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna make these videos really quick. But adding weight to your workouts is kind of like when you are about to lift something heavy. Like you're about to lift something heavy, right? Like you're moving boxes and you pick up a box, cool, that one was heavy, you move it over, right? But then you move to another box, you think it's gonna be just as heavy. You apply the same level of force to it and you fling it up because it's lighter than you expected, right? So basically what you need to keep on doing is add the weight, do about 2 sets with the weight on, and then do about 2 more sets with the weight off. And you'll feel the difference. Common sense stuff. All right. So take that little piece of advice and roll with it. Till the next one.